Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. I am back with another new length video where I am going to I'm trying new things which I think it is customizing cars and rendering on Adobe Photoshop. So I'm trying this. It will be the first video that I'm trying. There is I should try I wanted to, so I'm learning little, so maybe there will be some faults which I don't know yet how to run Adobe Photoshop properly. So yet I had tried this, so have a look and I hope you guys will like it. If you like the video and wants to connect with me, so keep support me, like you can like my videos, share or subscribe, whatever you like. So that will be the best and it will keep motivating me to make more videos and keep making my projects. So and another project is already going on, like you guys know that I'm making a Tata Safari, which is not exactly Tata Safari, but it will be like a little different. I will customize it, so I'm actually working on it also, and video also editing in progress, which will be uploaded soon, but I don't know when. I can't guarantee when I can upload it because there is not much support I get. There is only 3% of my subscribers just watch my videos and rest of them are from not yet subscribed. So I'm hoping that I hope कि तुम लोग थोड़ा सपोर्ट करो, तभी मेरे को आएगा ना वो जोश आएगा, तभी मैं अपलोड कर सकता हूँ. और यही नहीं, मैं I actually working on another project which is F-Son something like, कुछ track है जो I don't know exactly the name, so I'm also working on it, Papercrafted, which that's also a new project I took, new experience, like which I had to print, cut, something like that. I will show later, but just giving you all the, my updates through my videos. And here you can see this Tata Nexon. I like this kind of really, that is compact SUV. It looks pretty good, though I just want it to like something missing like that, so I tried to give a touch like how I want my car to look like, so it would be like perfect thing to do with these things. So I think rendering, creativity, these things when it comes up, like yeah, that's wow. So keep watching the video and I hope you guys like it. So if you like, then you can subscribe. Please subscribe actually and like the video, do some comments, share with your friends who like these things, so it will be great help. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.